Hello and welcome to Jurisedge Academy's YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss important case laws for the month of July 2022. This is important for people who are preparing for CLAT PG 2023 examination. This is part 1 of the video, so we'll be discussing the remaining cases in part 2. So let's start with the case laws. The first important case in July is the case of Vijay Madanlal Chaudhary versus Union of India. In this very important 3-judge bench decision, the court has held some provisions of the Prevention of Money Laundering Act of 2002 as constitutional. This is a very important judgment because criminal law is a very important and very heavily tested portion in the CLAT PG examination, and since this is a very important and controversial judgment, it would be important for CLAT PG 2023 exam. So in this case, among other things, the court has upheld the provisions relating to the power of arrest, attachment and search and seizure which is conferred on the Enforcement Directorate. So please check this case out because it's a very important and probable case to come in the December examination. Coming to the second important case, we have the judgment of Narinder Singh versus Devesh Bhutani. It's an important case law on environmental law, another 3-judge bench decision. In this case, the court was dealing with the provisions of the Forest Conservation Act of 1980. So in this very important judgment, the court has clarified and explained the meaning of forests under this 1980 Act. Furthermore, the court has also interpreted section 2 of this law and has held that prior permission of central government is required before allowing any forest land to be used for a non-forest purpose. So it's an important case on environmental law because there are a lot of other T.N. Godavarman cases which are related to this very idea, and again this makes it very important to be tested in the December examination. Before we move further, we have an official Telegram channel where we post daily subject-wise MCQs for candidates who are preparing for any legal exams, so do check this out from the link given in the description box. Now coming to the third important judgment, we have the case of All Kerala Distributors Association versus State of Kerala, another 3-judge bench decision. It's an important case law because in this case the court was testing the constitutional validity of a state law of Kerala because it was argued that it is in conflict with the central law, that is the Motor Vehicles Act. So in this case the court was analyzing the constitutional validity of the state law under the test of repugnancy in Article 254 of the Constitution, and the court found that this state law is very much constitutional. Now coming to the fourth case, we have All India Hajj Umrah Tour Organizer Association Mumbai versus Union of India. It's an important 3-judge bench decision because in this case the court was basically testing the notification which is issued under the GST Act, which allowed for certain exemptions to the Hajj board. So in this case the court held that excluding Hajj group organizers or private tour operators from exemption of GST is not unconstitutional because it forms a reasonable classification under Article 14. So this case is very important for you to understand the reasonable classification doctrine and the application of Article 14 with respect to this notification that was issued under the GST Act. So this brings us to the end of the first part of important cases in July. We have also made other videos starting from January 2022. So if you're appearing for December exam, do check out the older videos as well. So if you like this video, please like and share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.